Well, as I'm watching the recording of Free Practice 2, the Red Bull penalty, whatever you want to call it, I've also just seen. As far as I know, as far as I'm seeing reported, the penalties are $7 million fine to the FIA, 10% less wind tunnel time, and they have to bear the cost of the investigation. Their exceeded cost cap, or they exceeded the cost cap by 1,864,000. I'm assuming that's pounds, whatever, dollars. I don't know what it is. 1,864,000 currency of whatever it was. That's 1.6%. That's less than I even thought before, or what was. Whatever. Doesn't matter. I heard up to 5 million, 1.8. Yes, that's a lot of money. No, it's not that much money when you really consider it. The FIA acknowledged that if Red Bull had correctly applied a notational tax credit, it would have exceeded the cost cap by $432,652, which would be 0.37%. So all the people sitting there talking about how, oh my God, they did something so horrible. If they applied by the actual letter of the law rules, the whatever you want to call it, FIA, that's $400,000. Considering the cost cap is $140 million. So technically they went over the cost cap by the letter of the law, the full rule book, by 400 grand. And everyone's freaking about how horrible this is. And oh my God, 400 grand is nothing when you talk. So in the comments below, tell me what you think. Tell me your opinions. What do you think of the whole thing? And make sure to do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me out. Like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the little bell so you know when I'm posting more. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.